Hi, this is Carol from Inspired By, and welcome to my challenge. Today I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by Bum Bea. Now, what she has done is challenged us or invited us to tell what our favorite Dollar Tree items are in 10 category. Now, the first category is kitchen. And one of my favorite items in the kitchen, pardon me, is actually these fabric cubes. I use them to store my potatoes, my onions, anything. It helps keep the place looking neat and clean. My favorite food item from the Dollar Tree is actually these coconut cookies. Let me turn them around. Uh, they're $1.25 in Winnipeg at the Dollar Tree, but in other stores you pay twice the price for it. And number three on the 10 item list is organization. I love these storage bins. I throw all my snacks in them. And as you know, when you have potato chips, the bags can look pretty messy. But once you put them in storage bins like these, it stays neat, clean, and tidy looking. And this is my favorite beauty item for the winter from the Dollar Tree. It's a lip balm. I tend to go with the original one. They have other flavors, but it keeps your lips nice and moist for the winter so you don't suffer from dry, chapped lips. And number five on the list is the bathroom. My favorite cleaning item in the bathroom is actually bleach. I use this to clean my toilet, around the toilet area, and I also use it to wash the cloth that I use to clean in the bathroom. And these candles are another Dollar Tree DIY, and these are I use for all year round for my home decor. I couldn't quite decide what would be my favorite craft item, so I chose the rhinestones that I always use and the glass beads. They come in two different colors. So these are my favorite craft items. For my Valentine's themed decor, I chose this red ice bucket. It's cherry red, and it has been embellished with Dollar Tree bling wrap. Number 10 on the list is a Dollar Tree decor, your favorite one, and this is my Dollar Tree decor. This is a DIY Dollar Tree mirror. It is floor to ceiling that I did using the mirrors and the bling wrap. Once again, I'd like to thank Bum Bea for this invite into her open collaboration, and I would like to encourage each and every one of you to go and check out the other participants and see what their favorite Dollar Tree items are. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and also share. Thank you so much. And once again, this is Carol from Inspired By.